Welcome to Feel the Power of Power BI. Today we are going to cover custom order. Uh, what I mean by that is, as you can see, I have a very nice bar chart or column chart. I have months on x-axis and count of membership on y-axis. Now what I want to do is I want to sort this column chart by month. So I come right here, go to sort by, and I want to say by month. But as you can see, what I'm seeing here is April, August, December, February, because the month field is a text field, and it picks up A as a first month, and then it goes to B, C, D, and that's how it is sorted. And if you look at the data in my source table, that's what I have. I have 12 rows with memberships. So how do I sort that? So I can see January 1st, February, and so on and so forth. So what we need to do for that is this. We need to go ahead and create a new table, a static table within Power BI by clicking on Enter Data. And then let's name it, as you know, I always like to prefix my objects if I'm creating within Power BI with PBI as a prefix. And going to name it order by month table. Sorry. Month table, and here I need to create two columns. One is going to be ID and the second one is going to be month order, and I'm going to create 1, 2, and February. I'm going to go ahead and pause the recording so I can finish out this all 12 rows, and then I'll come back to. So here I have all 12 months right here and the IDs. I'm going to go ahead and load this table. As you can see, I have it right here. Let's look at the data right here. I can see it right here. Now let's go to data model and create the relationship between the static table that I create and the source table. In this case, it's a month to month. Right now it's 1-to-1 relationship because I have only 12 rows in my source table, but you may have same month appearing multiple times, so it's a good idea to create one-to-many relationship between your static table and your source table. Now I have that. Second thing I need to do is this. I am going to order this month by ID. So I select this by clicking here, then I go to modeling, and I said sort it by ID. Got that? Now I'm going to go ahead and copy this, my original column chart, so I can show you how that works. And what I need to do is bring month order from the static table. Let's bring that up there and close this. Now as you can see, I have January, February, March, April in order. I can also sort descending or ascending as I would like, or descending, if as you can see. Oh, sorry, it's not sorted right now, so I need to sort it by month order. Now it's from December through January, and I can also do ascending as well as. Now it's January, February, March. Hopefully, yeah, you like the contents of this video. If you did, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the like button.